We all know that people are running around in useless, frantic circles today in pursuit of something they think they need. And most people think that something is money. They think that once they have money, they're going to be happy. And once they achieve that, their dreams will be fulfilled. They're going to feel happy and at peace. But that really isn't true, because some of the wealthiest people are some of the most unhappiest people. What brings real happiness? Like I said, I've been really giving this a lot of thought. And I think about, in Genesis, it talks about the beginning. What was one of the main gifts, the most personal gift that God gave to man? I'm not talking about creating the world. I'm talking about a personal gift. He gave man the garden. It was a paradise. He had everything he needed right there in that garden. It must have been absolutely breathtaking. But man also needed woman, so God gave him woman. And that would have been a wonderful, wonderful thing, except for something happened. The woman was deceived in believing that there was something better than the garden. And so she disobeyed God, and then she convinced her husband, Adam, to disobey him also. And of course we all know that they were both banned from this beautiful garden, this paradise, where they were exempt from illness, pain. It was perfect in every way. And what happened was, inbred in all of us because of Adam and Eve, we've had this yearning for something more, looking for something elusive that will just give us the peace that we were all entitled to in the beginning. If Adam and Eve had not been deceived, we would have all lived in paradise and all been happy, healthy, had peace of mind. But they were deceived. But inbred in all of us also is the desire to go back to the garden. And I can tell you that that is where I find my peace. I feel closer to God when I'm surrounded by nature. Something just happens that just cannot happen in the city. When I sit on a mountain, I just take in everything around me. I look at everything that God has made. And I get a taste of what that original paradise was like. That is what I want to go back to. I know I'll never be able to have the kind of garden that Adam and Eve had. But I want to work towards that rather than towards money. I've been very poor and I've been very comfortable. But out of all the times, the only time that I have complete and total happiness and peace is when I'm around nature. And there is something about planting a seed and then seeing it rise from the soil that makes you feel overjoyed. I love that. I love that feeling. I think we all need to go back to the garden, back to our roots. That's where we'll find health, peace, and happiness. God bless.